Sostenibilidad está un tópico que hoy en día tratará nos tour. El tópico de sostenibilidad está más amplio que energía verde y preservación de nuestro medio ambiente y tiene a ver con preservación de nuestra cultura, pero también sostenibilidad por su efecto positivo riba bo cartera. Cultura exactamente recientemente lanzó una revista llamada Transcend. Una revista dedicada a sostenibilidad que está un tópico al día y hobby amplio.
Well, originally it was conceptualized by architects to speak to the architectural and construction industry in sustainable development, sustainable construction projects that kept in mind preserving the environment and being energy efficient. But we've expanded, when they brought me in as editor, we expanded the concept also to approach the consumer. We have articles there about sustainable tourism, the Amistad conference. This first magazine is in a way a sort of introduction to the whole concept of a sustainable magazine and what we are trying to bring forward, the information. You also have, if you notice, the last article, what we like to call our Consumers Corner, is a section that will speak to the people on the street about how they can make their homes more energy efficient, or their businesses, the things they can do in their lives. This time it's about Andre Lowenstraw, who has made his home completely energy efficient, independent, and how they can do it the way that he did it and how everyone can do it.
Esta es una revista independiente y sin lazo que órgano gubernamental.
Sustainability is a word that is on everybody's lips now. Sustainable tourism, sustainable to preserve the environment. It's a very rich topic. Next edition, we plan to look at preserving our cultural identity, our monuments, which is very much on everyone's mind, and we're going to expand that to also include what is Curaçao doing, what is Bonaire doing, because it is aimed at all three ABC islands, and how we can learn from what they are doing, what they can learn from what we are doing in regards to that.
Aunque revista está dedicada a isla na Aruba, Curaçao y Bonaire, e base ta queda Aruba.
Because we are based out of Aruba, principal information is about Aruba, though there is an article about the OTEC project in Curaçao, which I personally think is a very interesting answer to Aruba's search for being oil independent. If people don't know, OTEC is Ocean Thermal Energy Conversion. And it's a way of harnessing the temperature differences between surface water and deep water to create energy. A source that has no intermittencies, that is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But as I mentioned, the whole idea of sustainability, what all of us can do to help ensure a prosperous, beautiful, preserve our nature, all of these things for the next generation, I think this is of interest to everyone.
Sostenibilidad está futuro de isla na ita concerni cada de nós. Está interessante para mira com individual lo po colaborar na tópico aqui. Intenção tá para artículo na ajuda de gente o processo para chegar na Aruba completamente sustentável maneira e meta.